Hey, it's amazing what cell phones can do for us. Thanks. Just how much we rely on them day by day. All right, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get like 5 more. Technology should work uninterrupted, and the same goes for our cellular connection. Still loading. I'll drop that by later. Luckily for us, weBoost installed Office 200 does exactly that. It provides amplified cellular signal inside businesses. No more having to go to a window or step outside to find service. Just strong, reliable connectivity for everyone. Simplicity at its finest. weBoost installed Office 200 is professionally installed by a certified technician and is available, anywhere in the USA. And right away, the technician expertly outfits your business to maximize cellular coverage. With immediate results, the secure connectivity and seamless usage is something that Wi-Fi just can't compete with. It's all about being ahead of the curve, and weBoost installed Office 200 is a permanent solution and one-time cost. It's compatible with 5G and works for any cellular connected device. That means all US carriers and networks. Anyone who steps inside your business has the benefits of a boosted signal as soon as they walk in. Let's start upgrading the customer experience with technology that just works. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.